Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol EBIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like several weeks worth of time right there, it's actually just the past several days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. So not to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice past few days. To think that not that long ago the price was down around $1.35, and now it's up above $2. So very nice price movement. So let's map out some levels of support. First level of support, and first area I should say, is right here at approximately the $1.95 mark. That was a previous breakout point right there, and that's just a foundational rule in charting. When levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them ideally act as support. Now, if the price does drop below $1.95, by no means am I saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that, but that's certainly that ideal level of support, which would be a best case scenario if the price can hold above it. Next level of support, going to call it down there at $1.58. And in my opinion, $1.58 is the must-hold level. I mean, if the price, breaks below that, or worse yet, separates to the downside, at that point in time, that's putting the price right back to within this range where it was, before the big move happened right there. And not the, insult your intelligence, but obviously, prices going back to where they were is not a good sign from a bullish perspective. But $1.58 is basically irrelevant right now, given it's way down there and the price closed way up there. But nonetheless, I still wanted to get at least mapped out for the, the quote-unquote story of the current movement. Now for the fun stuff, what about levels of resistance? So for this, we're actually going to have to scrunch up the chart here. Always a good problem to have when you have to go back on the chart's history like this. So I realize it's a little bit more difficult to see, but again, good problem to have. Next key area of resistance, that the price hit it today. Nope, didn't quite hit it. Up there at about $2.32. After $2.32, next potential area right up there around, we'll call it $2.45. So all in all, no doubt about it, very, very nice day today. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls continue to build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.